Everybody, it's Maisie from Maisie's Meals. Today it's just such a long day, lots of work. So I was thinking, just sitting here and thinking what to cook for dinner, and I was thinking of making a quick ramen noodle dinner. And this noodle is just packed with a lot of vegetables. It's spicy, it's warm, great for this weather because it's cold here, and also just very healthy and delicious. And it's also don't take too much time to cook. Maybe it would take 15-20 minutes to cook and dinner is ready. So let's go to the kitchen and cook. Stay with me and cook also. Also, please go ahead and subscribe and also comment and like and share my channel, and also follow me at Maisie's Meals on Instagram. Okay, let's go and cook. For this recipe, I'm using some garlic, some ginger, and I'm chopping that really finely. And then I'm using some vegetables like broccoli, mushrooms. I'm also using some extra firm tofu. If you're using tofu, make sure you squeeze out all the water from it because that's when it's going to become crispy and delicious. And I'm also using some green onion for topping, some chopped peanuts for topping, and I also use some ramen noodle. So we're going to saute each and every one of these vegetables one by one. Just a little bit of oil and saute it, and it's going to be very, very delicious. So when you boil the ramen, just look at the package of the ramen and see how many minutes it needs. Mine needed about 3 minutes to cook, and according to the package, you can cook your ramen. And then I have also used some corn, some frozen corn, and added a little bit of chili oil to it just to give it some flavor. You can find chili oil at the Asian store, or you can go the Asian section of the grocery store and you can find it there. You can also make it at home yourself. There are a lot of recipes out there that you can find and make it yourself. So here I am cooking the tofu. I also used a little bit of chili oil. Tofu is so bland, so it takes any spice that you put to it. It takes the spice, so it's really a good option to get some protein. And now I am adding the ginger and the garlic to some more chili oil, and this is going to be spicy and it's going to be very, very good for this weather. So I also used some veggie broth, about 2 cups of veggie broth. You can get that from the grocery store also, and let it simmer. While that is simmering, now I have my serving bowl. I added a little bit of cane sugar, maybe a teaspoon, then a tablespoon of soy sauce, and some vinegar. I used rice vinegar, and then some hoisin sauce, about a teaspoon or so, and some sesame oil, about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we are adding the broth to the bowl. I am using 2 bowls here. Then add all the toppings to the broth and just enjoy. So I have added everything to the bowl, including the crispy tofu. Then I'm adding some green onions for crunch, and it goes well with this dish. So I have chopped some green onions, and I'm also adding some cilantro if you want to add that, but I know it gives some great flavor to this dish. Then you could add also a little bit of chopped peanuts if you have it at home. If not, if you even have sesame seed, that goes well too. Then I'm going to top this with some chili oil and just enjoy it. I hope you like this dish, and I hope you're gonna make it. So enjoy. That was some delicious dinner. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. And I hope you guys are going to make it too. And if you do, let me know on Instagram or Facebook at Maisie's Meals. And also you can comment on the YouTube channel too. I really like to see your comment and also your creation. If you made it, let me know. Just put a picture on Instagram and tag me on it. And also check out my website, maisiesmeals.com, for other recipes. And the ingredients I have used for this recipe, I'm going to put it on the description box. And for the veggies, you could use any veggies you have at your home. So I hope you like this and hope to see you next time. Until then, please be safe and may God bless you. Bye.